Every year, thousands of CAT aspirants walk out of the exam hall saying same thing. This year's paper was tougher than the last. But is that really true? Is CAT genuinely getting harder each year? Or is it just our perception based on changing questions, style, and time pressure? Let's break down CAT's difficulty trend from 2019 to 2024, section by section, and find the truth. CAT has never been about fixed difficulty. It's about relative challenge every year. The paper is designed to differentiate the top 1% of the test takers. So even if questions seem easier, the percentile cutoff balances it out. That's why 99 percentile score might be 100 marks in one year and 90 in another. The goal is not make the exam tougher, is to make it unpredictable. CAT 2019 and 20 अगर ट्रेंड देखते हैं तो there are these 2 years were the benchmark for a balanced difficulty. BARC leading heavy but logical. DALR was moderately challenging, puzzle based but solvable. Quant had a clean mix, arithmetic, algebra, geometry, and modern math all evenly represented. If we'll talk about CAT 2021 to 2022, here the paper structure itself changed. The number of questions dropped from 76 to 66, and the sectional time was reduced to 40 minutes. That shift made accuracy, not speed, the real game. DILR became unpredictable with the multi-layered reasoning sets. Quant tilted heavily towards arithmetic and algebra, reducing geometry weightage. And now comes the interesting part. In 2023, DILR became the toughest section across all slots. Only 1 or 2 sets were truly solvable for most aspirants. Quant stayed arithmetic heavy but conceptual. VRC surprisingly became more factual than inferential. And in 2024, the pendulum swung back and relatively easier paper overall. Reading comprehension was simpler. DLR was more structured and Quant less time consuming. So what's the truth? CAT is not getting tougher every year. It's becoming smarter, you can say. The test evolves to keep you on your toes, from speed to logic, from formulas to reasoning, from facts to inference. It's not about solving everything. It's about adapting to whatever curveball the paper throws. If you're preparing for CAT 2025, here's your insight. Don't chase difficulty, chase understanding. The only consistent thing about CAT is its consistency. The smarter you prepare, the less it matters whether the paper is tough or easy, because strategy always beats surprise.